Helping your cat cope with loud noises and fireworks is an important aspect of pet care, especially during times of the year when fireworks are more common, like national holidays or festive celebrations. Cats can be particularly sensitive to loud noises, which can cause stress, anxiety, and fear. There are several steps you can take to help your feline friend feel safer and more comfortable during these times. The first step in helping your cat is to create a safe and comfortable space in your home. This could be a quiet room or a cozy area where your cat feels secure. This space should be away from windows to minimize the noise and should include their bed, food, water, and litter box. Make this area as inviting as possible with their favorite toys and blankets. It's essential to keep your cat indoors when you expect loud noises or fireworks. Cats can become disoriented or panic and flee when frightened, leading to them getting lost or injured. Ensure all windows, doors, and cat flaps are securely closed to prevent your cat from escaping. Consider using soundproofing or noise reduction techniques to minimize the impact of loud noises. This can include closing curtains, playing calming music, or using white noise machines to mask the sound of fireworks. The goal is to create a calm and soothing environment that distracts from the loud noises outside. Incorporate pheromone products, like diffusers or sprays, which can help to calm your cat. These products mimic the natural pheromones that cats produce and can create a sense of safety and well-being in your home. Gradual desensitization can also be beneficial. This involves playing recorded sounds of fireworks at a low volume and gradually increasing the volume over time, helping your cat become accustomed to the noise. This should be done over several weeks or months and always at a level that does not cause distress to your cat. Provide hiding places within your home. Cats often seek out small, enclosed spaces when they are scared. Cardboard boxes, tunnels, or even a blanket draped over a chair can provide a secure place for your cat to hide. Consider consulting with a veterinarian about medications or supplements that can help reduce anxiety in your cat. These should only be used under veterinary guidance and as a last resort when other methods have not been effective. Observe your cat's behavior for signs of stress, which can include hiding, vocalizing, panting, or over-grooming. Understanding how your cat typically reacts to loud noises can help you tailor your approach to their specific needs. It's important not to force your cat to confront their fear, as this can increase their stress. Allow them to retreat to their safe space if they choose to, and don't try to coax them out. Forced interactions can exacerbate their fear and anxiety. Provide distractions during times of loud noises. This can include interactive toys, food puzzles, or engaging in play. Distractions can help divert their attention from the noise and keep them focused on more positive activities. If your cat is particularly fearful, consider seeking the advice of a professional animal behaviorist. They can provide tailored strategies based on your cat's specific behavior and needs. Maintaining a calm demeanor yourself is also important. Cats can pick up on their owner's anxiety, so staying calm and relaxed can help reassure your cat that there is no danger. Ensure routine consistency as much as possible. Cats are creatures of habit and take comfort in a predictable routine. Feeding, playtime, and cuddling should occur at their usual times, even during periods of loud noises. This consistency can provide a sense of normalcy and security. Introduce comforting tactile experiences. Some cats may find comfort in being brushed or petted during stressful times. However, it's crucial to be sensitive to your cat's preferences. Some may prefer not to be touched when anxious. Using calming apparel designed for cats, like anxiety vests or wraps, can be beneficial for some cats. These products apply gentle, constant pressure, similar to swaddling, which can have a calming effect. Another approach is to use environmental enrichment to distract and engage your cat. This can include new toys, catnip, or interactive play. The goal is to provide positive activities that keep their mind off the noises. For cats that are particularly sensitive to noise, soundproofing parts of your home, like a basement or an internal room, can create a quieter space. Sound-absorbing materials, like heavy curtains or rugs, can help dampen the noise. During times when fireworks or loud noises are expected, try to be home with your cat or arrange for someone they are familiar with to be with them. Your presence can be immensely reassuring and help them feel safer. Consider behavioral training techniques that focus on positive reinforcement. Reward calm behavior and gradually introduce stimuli at a level your cat can tolerate without becoming fearful. For outdoor cats, it's vital to bring them inside well before the fireworks or celebrations begin. Once frightened, it can be challenging to get them back indoors, increasing the risk of them getting lost or injured. Feed your cat before the expected noise begins. A full cat is often a more relaxed cat, and they may be more likely to sleep through some of the noise. Be mindful of your reactions to the fireworks or loud noises. Cats can pick up on their owner's emotions, so showing that you are calm and not bothered by the noise can help reassure them. In case your cat does escape or run away during a fireworks event, ensure they are microchipped and have a collar with identification. This increases the chances of a safe return, should they become lost. Finally, it's important to remember that every cat is different, and what works for one may not work for another. Patience and understanding are key, and it may take time to find the most effective strategy to help your specific cat. In conclusion, helping a cat cope with loud noises and fireworks involves a multifaceted approach that combines creating a safe environment, maintaining routines, providing distractions and comfort, and potentially using specialized products or seeking professional advice. By understanding and catering to your cat's individual needs, you can help them navigate these stressful events with greater ease and comfort.